Welcome back. So the question is, answer carefully with reasons. In an elastic collision of two billiard balls, is the total kinetic energy conserved during the short time of collision of the balls? That is when they are in contact. No, because at the time of collision, the kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. Thus, the total kinetic energy is not constant at the collision. Is the total linear momentum conserved during the short time of an elastic collision of two balls? Yes, in case of elastic collision, the total linear momentum of the system remains conserved as no external force is acting on the system of balls. What are the answers to A and B for an inelastic collision? The total kinetic energy of the system cannot be conserved in case of inelastic collision as there is loss of energy in the form of deformation. But the total linear momentum of the system remains constant even in case of inelastic collision as no external force is acting. If the potential energy of two billiard balls depends only on separation distance between the centers, is the collision elastic or inelastic? Note, we're talking here of potential energy corresponding to the force during collision, not gravitational potential energy. Since the potential energy of the system depends upon the separation between the bodies, thus the forces acting on the body are conservative in nature. We know that conservative forces produce elastic collisions.